Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 2nd of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays very cold for the rest of this week. Winter storm warnings in effect for parts of North Florida and South Georgia as a major coastal low develops off the Atlantic coast. And our next precipitation here, probably rain. Let's check it out. Water vapor satellite view this afternoon. Got a disturbance coming down the backside of the trough over the eastern U.S. that will sharpen the trough up tonight and tomorrow, spinning up the Atlantic storm and pulling down more cold air for us by Thursday and Friday. This is the composite radar at 2:30, and that disturbance that's coming down the backside of the trough is kicking off some snow, of all places, in the waters of the Gulf of Mexico, south of the Louisiana coast. That's actual video taken from someone on a boat in that region this afternoon. You don't see that very often. Well, Birmingham 33, there you go. We finally have gone above freezing. We finished about 47 consecutive hours below freezing, at or below freezing. But north of Birmingham, still 20s. Cullman, Haleyville, Decatur, the Shoals, 29. Around the nation, temperatures have warmed a little bit. They're above freezing in Chicago and Minneapolis, St. Paul, but again, they'll be turning colder again over the next 24 to 36 hours, especially the northeast United States, as that big Atlantic low begins to pull down more cold air. Check this out. How about a winter storm warning in effect for places like Tallahassee, Valdosta, Waycross, Georgia, Brunswick, Georgia. That's for the possibility of wintry precipitation, freezing rain, maybe some snow. That is a possibility all the way up through parts of the eastern Carolinas and ultimately into the northeast United States, as you'll see. It's going to be a pretty tough storm for our friends up in the New England coast by Thursday. And maybe some thunder from about Melbourne, Florida, south down to Miami and Marathon, but no severe weather expected there. Let's check the rain for the next 7 days. A lot of rain for the upper Pacific coast. Around here in Alabama, rain amounts about 1 inch for the Tennessee Valley, less than 1/2 inch for the south. Our next chance of rain here will be Monday. Let's check it out. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. The trough beginning to sharpen over the east. Down below that, the coastal low develops east of Jacksonville. Some snow and freezing rain likely over southeast Georgia. But around here for us, the day will be cold. We start the day, I'd say 12 to 15. But the high tomorrow should be in the low 40s. That's almost like a heat wave. This is the projected HER model tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see the purple down there. That's freezing rain for parts of North Florida and South Georgia. But again, for us, the day will be dry. There could be a few snow flurries, I guess, with some clouds, but if that happens, insignificant. This is Thursday. A new surge of cold air drops in. The high will be close to freezing. Many places below freezing all day. A pretty good north wind developing of 10 to 20. The wind chill index will be very low. And check out that low. Wow. 962 millibars southeast of Cape Cod and east of Long Island. And that looks like a very blizzardy type situation for parts of the New England coast. Boston would be included in that. Providence, Long Island. That's just, it's going to be power outages and some huge, huge snows if this verifies. Then Friday, we're cold and dry. You know the deal. Friday morning, again, will be in the teens. The high will be in the 30s, and this is Saturday as the weekend begins. The sky's sunny. We start the day in the teens, but I think we see mid-40s Saturday afternoon, kind of moving in the right direction. And then Sunday, the air continues to modify. The winds veer into the south. The high Sunday should be in the low 50s. The day will be dry, and rain returns Monday. Monday's high in the middle 50s. No cold air there for snow or ice problems, just rain on Monday. Then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 9th, again, troughing over the east, and we are dry and pretty cool, but not as cold as what's going on right now. I'd say highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday of next week, the 12th, the pattern begins to relax a little bit. The flow is zonal, and that looks dry with rain just to the west. Check the numbers. Obviously, we're very cold here for the rest of this week. But by Monday, highs in the 50s. And after that, still below average, but not by far. You can see low 50s and 30s out there toward mid-January as the amplitude begins to diminish across the North American continent for now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.